Hi, my friends. How are you doing today? So, here is a new recipe for you. So, this is palm oil sauce, palm oil hot sauce. This is not your regular sauce. There's one thing about palm oil that is just unique and makes it to stand out. It is the benefits. Even though palm oil has its own distinctive taste, but it has this cardioprotective, anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory benefits to the body. So the OGs will understand this sauce. And for the vegetable, this is basil. Like basil. So this palm oil sauce with lots of pepper, hot sauce, and then with basil leaf. Oh my goodness, it is a bomb. So if you want to know how I made this palm oil hot sauce, then you keep watching. So these are all the ingredients. These are all the things that I blended. The usual. So lots of scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and that's it. But in this case, you have to make the pepper to be more, like you want it to be intentionally more than other ones, because of course if it is not hot, then it is not the sauce, because it has to be hot. And then of course palm oil. Don't make this sauce with any other oil. It has to be palm oil. Palm oil or no other oil. Well, your choice. But if you want it to be this unique, it has to be palm oil. Okay? And I tried to flavor my palm oil, so I just added rosemary spices, just do you here, and with my seasoning cubes and all the blenders, all the things that I blended, the onions, like the things that I processed before, I now added them in the palm oil. Now, what I do is that I don't let the palm oil to bleach. Palm oil is very, very smoky, so you have to be very careful. Here in Canada, I don't want, several times my smoke alarm has been out because I'm using palm oil to cook. So wisdom taught me to not let it get that hot before frying. Yes, we learn every day, right? So yes, I started frying on a low to medium heat just to make sure I don't scare my neighbors with my smoke alarm. Palm oil also has anti-thrombotic effect. Palm oil is very, very good for you. It's good for your health. That if you eat in moderation. Guys, remember moderation is key. Why do I say moderation is key? Because palm oil has 50% of saturates, fat saturates and calories. So I didn't say just go drinking palm oil morning, afternoon, and evening. We have to be moderate in whatever we're eating. So as long as you stay in moderation, palm oil is very, very beneficial. Another interesting thing I want to tell us is that palm oil has vitamin E. It has lots of vitamin E, and the vitamin E there helps to improve and maintain brain health. Palm oil also has lots of antioxidants. So you have every reason to incorporate palm oil into your meals. But in moderation, stay within moderation, okay? Be moderate in whatever you're eating. Don't overdose yourself with palm oil. You're gonna have a high calorie in your blood, okay? So I just added tomatoes and then my smoked turkey and chicken previously, or no, they are not really smoked. Some smoked, some were already steamed, but I had them before, and I added them into this sauce, and that kind of lifted this sauce, took it from grade ordinary to grade executive. So this kind of sauce, you use it to do what? To eat boiled anything, boiled plantain, boiled yam, boiled and what vegetable did I just add? That is basil. That is basil, like the award-winning basil leaves. This basil now took it from the executive level to to the apex, like the aroma and everything. And the aroma was something else. You guys know that basil makes everything good. And that was it. That was the end of the sauce. Easy peasy, not rocket science. And that is it. Then check for taste. Make sure your salt and pepper level is within your tolerable limit. And that is it. That was how I made this hot sauce. And I thought I share. But the oldies we know, the real legendary foodies, we understand where this sauce is coming from and what I am cooking here. Okay, so remember, it has to be hot. Anyway, if you're somebody that doesn't like hot, anyway, just do within your level. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so it is, it is called hot palm oil hot sauce because the pepper usually stands out. And that is it. So we just serve. So on this particular day, I ate it with boiled unripe plantain. Yes, you heard me. Boiled unripe plantain was what I used in eating this hot sauce. And it was super duper yummy. Very, very, very yummy. Very, 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 very yummy. Like I said, palm oil, we have to eat it in moderation because palm oil, the high intake of palm oil might lead to bad cholesterol because he has lots of cholesterol. It has lots of cholesterol and saturated fat. So you don't want that too much in your system. So just stay within moderation and you'll be good. Okay, so if you have watched up until this time, that means you like what we're doing. Keep supporting us. I appreciate your support. Click that red button that shows subscribe. Click the red button, click the bell sign. Choose the option that shows all. That way you'll be getting all my post notifications. And if you have any questions, please use the comment section. I will get back to you on or before 24 hours. Okay, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.